What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge and Chrysler in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L with granite crystal exterior and black leather interior. Coming in at 40,445 miles, it's a one-owner clean CarFax with no accidents. It's got the 3.6-liter V6 engine that gets 287 horsepower, 19 mpg in the city, 28 on the highway. It's got second and third row stow and go seats, 17-inch alloy rims, chrome stow-in-place roof rack, power liftgate, power sliding doors, body color powered mirrors, ParkView rear backup camera, blind spot and rear cross path detection, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, Bluetooth, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge and Chrysler in Ventura, and you just previewed a certified pre-owned 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L.